Hi guys, welcome to the second edition of Lightroom series. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove blemishes. What I mean by blemishes is that blemishes is like pimples, dark spots on the face of a model. Let's say you are designing for a client and on the client face there are dark spots and pimples. This method that I'm going to be showing you will help you to remove that so that you'll be able to work with the image. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So from here you can see I have two images over here, the light skin image and a dark skin image. This to show you guys how this trick works with both images. So I'll first of all start with the dark image over here. Alright, so we're going to start by using the masking method or the masking tool for this. Before you can even use this masking tool, you have to pay for the premium version, but you can check the description. Provided a link to the app, which is the modded version of this Lightroom. I cannot guarantee that it will work for all of us, but yeah, you just try and install it and see if it works for your phone. So let's continue. So we're going to click on this masking tool. We click on plus icon. So the masking tool has different masking tools. So we are going to select this brush selection tool over here. So we're going to zoom the image, then we're going to carefully select where the blemishes are. So you select it carefully, select where the blemishes are on the face. You have to do it carefully. Okay. So after you are done with the selection, we head over to effect. So we click on texture, we move texture to -100, then clarity to -100 as well. Then dehaze to is it 27, 28, 29? Okay, so 28 is okay. We move to detail. So we are going to decrease our noise to -100 and our sharpening to let's say 52, 53. Okay, it's okay. So yeah, you can see there's been changes to the image, right? Okay, but we can still see some blemishes still there. So we're going to repeat this same method again. So we click on this masking plus icon, blush selection or blush masking tool. So we're going to select all over again, select the parts again, so you have to make sure you carefully select the parts very well. Okay, so we head over to detail, repeat the same. Okay, yeah, so you can see this was before and after our editing. So you can see the changes to the image, right? Yeah, so this is how it is done. So we are going to head over to the second image, and we are going to repeat the same method to the second image. Okay, all right, so this is the image. We wait for it to load. So we head over to the masking, we click on the plus icon, go to the blush selection. So we're going to select the parts where the blemishes are. Okay, effect. It's just like what we did for the first image. Okay, your noise to -100. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So you can see this was before and after. So this is how to remove blemishes from your image. So thanks for watching.